Alright, this is another review from the Insing family. This is the DJI Mavic Air more set. As you can see, I am updating the software right now for the drone. But this set is really cool. It comes with a really nice, soft carrying case by DJI. You open this up, and it's got a lot of different compartments, little pockets to hold anything that you need. So you want to hold your extra batteries, excuse the noise there, and little implements that you're going to connect with. It comes with a 3 batteries, charger. You could see there's multiple cords coming off the charger, one to charge the batteries and one to charge the actual remote. It'll plug into the remote. I really like this handheld remote. It's kind of cool. It holds the little joysticks down here. You just take these out and you can screw them right in the bottom for easy keeping, and you don't have to worry about them breaking off when you're storing them. Now, unfortunately, I am in a restricted area, so I'm not going to show off with the drone too much, but if I hit go fly, you'll see it gives you a shot of our apartment because the camera is working, and now it's locating where we are in the lower part of the app. And it shows right in the top right, or excuse me, the top left. I don't know if you could really focus in on that, but we're in the restricted zone, so it's not going to let you fly anywhere where you're in a restricted flying zone for drones, right? So we live right near an airport, so it's not something that we can do. But at any rate, really, really cool. Connect with any phone. It plugs in with one of these cords here in the back. Really simply. So with the iPhone, I use this particular cord, but it comes with multiple cords depending on the device that you want to use. And any size will fit. This thing opens up really, really big. So if you've got one of those Pro Max size phones, that'll fit. But this has really served me well. Use it primarily for real estate photography, but it's just a really beautiful machine. It gets great video. It gets great still photos, and it comes with all kinds of different accessories, extra propellers, extra joysticks, 3 batteries, a remote, obviously. It even comes with some extra lenses, which is really nice if depending on the types of shots that you're trying to get. You have several different lenses, so 3 extra here, plus the one that's already on the camera on the drone. So highly recommended. We love it, and thanks for watching.